A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. It was a hot summer's day. A thirsty crow flew into a village, searching for some water to drink. He flew over houses, fields, and trees, but he could not find any water. After a long time, he came across a farm. Under one of the trees on the farm, there was a pot of water. The crow looked around. He saw some pebbles. An idea struck in his mind. He picked up the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. As he dropped the pebbles into the pot, the water came up. Soon it was high enough for him to drink. He drank the water. He flew away happily. Moral: if you try hard enough, you may soon find an answer to your problem. You should never give up in front of their problems, because you are automatically defeated when you give up.